Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg once again. Behind me today we got an all new Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. Let's hop aboard. Alright, so before I do what I do in just about every video where I tell you how much I love the all new Mercury V8 Verado, let's talk about the socks really quick. Got a lot of questions on them. Octopus on the socks. Now I'm going to tell you something that's going to blow your mind. They say if an octopus had the same lifespan as humans, they'd be the dominant species. Now if that doesn't keep you up at night, I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, moving back here to the all new white Mercury 300 Verado, all new naturally aspirated engine. Really great power package. Get you up and going on the water having fun, even with a bunch of guests on the boat. For those of you out there that have seen the movie Transformers, this boat reminds me of one of those. And I'm not talking about the bad ones either. I'm talking about the Autobots, the good ones, the ones that everybody likes. Why? Look at this. This seat's going to transform backwards and forward. But look at this. Move that up. Now you got back here. We're going to have seating on the aft part of the boat. So as we move up forward here, we're going to have a huge amount of seating. Going to transform also, whether it's on the helm seat or the passenger seat right here. Also, you're going to have a massive bimini top up top. Keep the sun off you. Trust me, you're going to want it, especially in Florida. It's February. Look at me, I'm sweating. You can see the sweat pouring off of my forehead. Not fun when you're outside of the bimini top. Let's move on up here to the helm. We're already going to be equipped with a Simrad unit right here, touchscreen unit. Great for functionality, user friendliness. In my opinion, one of the most capable and well-built units on the market. So it's going to set the 25 SDX from some of the smaller Sea Ray sport boats is going to be found down here. You're going to have a head and a very large one at that too. That's also going to double as a storage area once you move up forward. So as we end this walkthrough up on the bow here, you can see that Sea Ray really maximized the space, fit as many adults or children up here as comfortable as possible when you're just cruising up and down the intercoastal, having a good time with the cold one in your hand. Now, I appreciate you guys joining me today, as always. And if you guys have any other questions about this boat whatsoever, give me a call, come on in the dealership, let me show you around. Better yet, get you on the water. I would love nothing more than to put you on your next dream boat. So I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I'm signing off. I'll see you next time.